This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm in the foyer of apartment 1200, a southeast corner, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, coat closet, and a hall mirror off to my left. Looking at plank flooring in the living dining area that extends throughout the apartment. Turning around for a look at a sleek black kitchen, black appliances, including a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave, contrasting white cabinets, pretty much a designer look for the kitchen. Apartment has a wide wall of windows facing south, so you're always going to get great sunlight when the sun is shining. And you have a view out toward Lake Michigan. Plenty of space in this room to lay out your furniture. Heading back toward the bedrooms and the bath, there's a linen closet, updated bath, attractive vanity, there's a rain shower head, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and black and white tile on the floor. Second of the 2 bedrooms faces directly east. Plenty of space for a queen-size bed and additional furniture, and a wide wall of closets. Larger of the 2 bedrooms also has a wall of closets. Also faces east. Space for a home office, additional furniture, and really any size bedding. 3130 Lakeshore Drive. It's a very appealing East Lakeview location. Literally steps from everything. There's a convenience store in the building, fitness center, additional amenities, parking on site, which is rare in Lakeview East. Definitely want to have this on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.